You need to talk to her. Don't nobody on that porch do nothing for me. Don't nobody on that porch do nothing for me.
Don't bust a head. Just don't bust a head. I ain't stopping me.
Don't nobody do shit for me up there. I don't care who y'all talk to.
How many people left?
It's gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna make millions. I'm gonna make millions.
Give me some super glue.
Yes. I ain't got no super glue.
This shoe was a brick. I would have been bust every bitch cheap all on that damn airport. Half of them already got bam out.
Don't just bust a head, man.
I'm a bust her head. She's scared to come out the damn porch. And this Julia said no. Julia said no.
She know it. All that faking ain't gonna get nobody.
And this is my place.
So why you keep talking?
She been storing at me all these times. But I wanted her to know she know about you.
Oh, look, certain spots. You need to do certain spots right.
I'm married.
And this movie was rated by.
What's going on, Precious?
They're your buddies just cause they're you broke your head.
I know you ain't. I feel better than you. I'm not bad that you with somebody say.
Back to herself.
She just like somebody getting holding out.
You can get wherever you
doing it, you won't tell it. Come on now.
Looks like the world has turned bad. And now that we all seen the story, we can see the result. Back to you, Kim.
What happened? What's going on?